How long are you going to keep using Messenger the old-fashioned way? Today, I'm going to show you 4 amazing Messenger tricks that might actually surprise you. So, let's get started. Trick number 1. First, open Messenger and enter any conversation. Now, in the message option, type /. Then select Imagine, and then write anything. Hit Send, and Messenger will generate an AI image based on what you wrote. Pretty cool, right? Trick number 2. Whenever you send someone a Messenger message, their phone normally makes a notification sound. But did you know you can send a message without making any sound? Here's how. Type / in the message box and select Silent. Now, whatever you type and send will reach them without making a notification sound. Trick number 3. Someone sent you a message and you've seen it, but you don't want them to know that you've seen it. You can turn off read receipts for that conversation. To do this, open the person's inbox and tap their name at the top. Then scroll down, find read receipts, and turn it off. Now, they won't be able to see your seen status when you read their messages. Trick number 4. Suppose you've already seen someone's message, but for some reason you haven't replied yet. You can mark the conversation as unread in your own inbox. Simply tap and hold the conversation, then select Mark as Unread. That's it. The message will now appear as unread in your inbox. So, how did you like these Messenger tricks? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And for more bonus tricks like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.